I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never.
What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Tuton. This is Jackson. Presley, and this is Little Harper. Today we're cooking a recipe from Bluey. Jackson, tell us about it.
From the episode Bluey, it's called Omelette.
Omelette. And Jackson wrote down the ingredients right here.
3 eggs, some cheese, sliced ham, cherry tomato, salt and pepper, and butter.
And butter.
Yeah!
Okay, and if you're ready, we're ready. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's get cooking! First of all, we crack the eggs into the bowl.
Hi!
Okay, do all 4 eggs.
Hi! Harp!
It's okay.
How you crack it? No! Okay. I got the egg.
Okay,
I got
Presley,
it.
you want to do it too?
Now.
No? Okay.
Want me to do it? Why is it like that?
Here, Presley, you want to mix it?
Yay! Mix it all around. Mix it now?
Yeah, mix it. Mix it good.
Mix it fast. Not too fast, okay? Hey, I want to try. Okay. No? Okay, you want to eat it? Yeah.
Okay, mix it faster. Break it up.
Smush the
Let me
eggs.
show you.
Hey!
Okay.
And after that, you mix it up.
Okay, now Jackson, put the butter in. There we go. Now it's sizzling. Now we coat it.
That makes me scary. It's cool. Why put cheese in there?
Okay. Now with the butter to melt, and then we pour the eggs in.
No.
Okay, now Jackson, you want to pour the eggs in?
No.
Presley, put that in the sink.
Okay. Wait for it.
Good job. Now we wait. Put the ham in, Presley.
Yeah.
You want to put as much as you want.
Okay. No, not yet. Not yet. Hard now. Not yet.
What's wrong?
It hurts. Want me to do it?
Just sprinkle it. No, just use your hand and sprinkle it on top. Grab a bunch and put it on. Yeah.
No!
Yeah, you can put the cheese in there too.
Okay. We have to get a handful of cheese.
Uh-huh.
I want to eat the cheese. Pour in there?
What?
Pour in there?
The tomato?
Yeah.
Yes, put the tomato in there.
Can I help out?
Yeah, you can.
This is fun. My first time actually cooking.
You cooked before.
No, with heat.
Okay, ready?
Yeah!
Now, watch out. Let me see.
No,
You do that.
Dad. I
Daddy.
did it. I did it.
Daddy do it.
Oh, we need salt and pepper. Yay.
All right, put salt and pepper in.
I want to put it in there. You
Yeah,
get
you
pepper.
put-
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Okay. Now Harper do it. Good job. Okay, now we flip it over. Ooh.
Ooh, whoa. Look at that. Look at that big dome. Hi, Mary Arby.
Look at that.
Who wants to taste it?
With that being done,
Yeah.
you ready to take it out?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at that beautiful omelet.
This one's a short video.
So here you go, guys. Our beautiful omelet that we all made as a family.
Yeah.
So now we're about to do a taste test. See how good it is.
And Mom is not here. He's on vacation.
Okay. All ready? Let's taste it.
I like the potato. The
Good?
tomato goes nice with it. Tastes good, right?
It's really good.
Okay, go there.
You taste the ham in there? And the cheese. You like it, Harper? Good? It's good. So there you go, guys. Kids approve. You don't like the tomato too much. If you don't like tomato, just leave it out. So here's our omelet. This is our recipe, or it's Bluey's recipe. So check it out, try it out, and let us know. And if you like the video,
Give it a thumbs up.
give it a thumbs up. Good
Or
job.
subscribe.
And subscribe. And come back for more, right? Thank you. Bye.
Bye.